Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Angel here. What it do? Today, you guys, I have an unboxing. You want to see what I got? Keep on watching. Okay. Alright, sister girl. So my unboxings are all out of order. This is what I bought yesterday on my trip to Coach when the Kiss Lock purses came out. I bought something, so let's unbox this together. It's still officially my birthday month. It is February 28th. So, hey, I'm still treating myself, right? Okay. Okay. Put that right here. And this is like a double unboxing. So, y'all should know what I got, right? Y'all know what I got, right? Here is in the dust bag. Smooth the box. Okay. So I got, you guys, the Lana 23 in maple. Y'all knew I was getting this. Y'all knew I was getting this. This bag is so sexy, y'all. This is my favorite bag from Coach. I have quite a few of them at this point. So, oh my God, y'all. I love her. Look. Oh my God. Y'all know I'm not going to use her right now because it's boxes everywhere. I'm moving in like 2 weeks. But y'all seen Alana before. So, I got this. And I got a chain, you guys. This is the horse and carriage chain strap. The one that looks like this. I hope y'all can see this. So I'll just hook it like that. And it'll look like that. This is so pretty, y'all. This is so freaking pretty. What do y'all think? Oh my God, I love it. So I know y'all this is a quick unboxing, but I just want to hop on here real quick and show y'all that y'all know I had to get the Lana in maple. So I have the red one, the purple one, the dark stone one, this one. The only one I need is black. So yeah, y'all. Love it. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty, y'all. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all later. Bye.